Jim Cramer's 180-degree flip on Rigetti Computing stock has left investors both baffled and intrigued. Just months ago, the Mad Money host called RGTI the worst one, a scathing verdict that echoed the broader skepticism surrounding quantum computing. But now, Cramer's tone has shifted dramatically. Could this be a sign of a long-term turnaround, or is it just another speculative frenzy? Let's unpack the twists, the science, and the risks behind this high-stakes stock story. But here's where it gets controversial. What if the real game changer isn't the technology itself, but the narrative investors are buying into? And this is the part most people miss. The recent partnership with Montana State University might not just be a PR stunt. It could signal something far bigger. Back in January, the quantum computing sector faced a brutal reckoning when NVIDIA's Jensen Huang warned that practical quantum applications could take decades to materialize. Rigetti, a key player in the space, took a hit as shares plummeted. Cramer piled on, criticizing the company's flat revenue, insider selling, and a $50 million stock offering priced at a paltry $2.11 per share. His message was clear. Investors were chasing hype, not fundamentals. Fast forward to today, and the story is evolving. Cramer recently appeared on Mad Money, acknowledging Rigetti's potential for a home run, while he still calls RGTI a speculative bet. He's now open to the idea of a breakout, especially if the company hits a major milestone. RGTI could have a headline tomorrow, he said, hinting at the stock's volatility and the unpredictable nature of quantum investing. What changed? The answer might lie in Rigetti's partnership with Montana State University, MSU. The collaboration launched MSU's Quantum Core Research and Education Center, Q-Core, which now hosts an on-site Rigetti quantum processor. This isn't just a lab experiment anymore. It's a real-world deployment in an academic setting. For skeptics, this could be the proof of concept they've been waiting for. For critics, it raises a question. Is this enough to justify the stock's recent 12% surge? Or is the market overhyping a niche academic partnership? The stakes are high. Quantum computing remains a field rife with promise, but plagued by uncertainty. Companies like Rigetti face stiff competition, unproven business models, and the challenge of translating theoretical breakthroughs into revenue. Yet the Montana partnership adds a layer of credibility. Academic institutions are often early adopters of cutting-edge tech, and their endorsement can signal broader industry validation. Could this be the catalyst that turns Rigetti from a speculative play into a legitimate contender? But let's not ignore the risks. Even with Cramer's newfound optimism, Rigetti's path to profitability is anything but clear. The company's financials remain weak, and the quantum sector is crowded with rivals like IonQ and D-Wave. Investors must ask themselves, are we witnessing a genuine shift in Rigetti's trajectory? Or is this just a temporary rally fueled by hype? And here's a provocative thought. If quantum computing is still decades away from mainstream use, is investing in companies like RGTI a bet on the future or a fool's errand? For now, Rigetti remains a high-risk, high-reward proposition. Cramer's reversal reflects the volatile nature of this sector, where sentiment can swing wildly with every new partnership or technological claim. Retail investors, however, seem undeterred. RGTI shares have surged this year, buoyed by social media buzz and a growing appetite for speculative tech stocks. But as the saying goes, past performance is not indicative of future results. So, where do we stand? Rigetti's partnership with MSU is a step in the right direction, but it's far from a guarantee of success. The company needs to prove it can scale its technology, secure commercial clients, and generate sustainable revenue. Until then, RGTI will remain a stock best suited for those with a high-risk tolerance and a long-term vision. What do you think? Is Rigetti's recent momentum a sign of things to come? Or is the market chasing a mirage? Share your thoughts in the comments, because in the world of quantum investing, the only certainty is uncertainty.